Apple is slowly tearing down its famous walled garden, but only because Europe is forcing it to. A new iOS 26.5 update is bringing some Apple-exclusive features to third-party earbuds and smartwatches for the very first time. This change is happening because of the European Union's Digital Markets Act, a law designed to make big tech platforms more open and competitive. That means Apple now has to share certain software advantages that were previously locked to devices like AirPods and Apple Watch. And honestly, some of these updates are pretty useful. For third-party smartwatches like Garmin, Huawei, and Amazfit, users will finally be able to replay to iPhone notifications directly from the watch. Before this, non-Apple watches could only display notifications and not respond to them. Apple's also adding support for live activities on third-party wearables, so things like sports scores, Uber tracking, or delivery updates could appear outside the Apple Watch ecosystem. And for earbuds, Apple's opening up its easy proximity pairing system. That's the feature where AirPods instantly pop up on your iPhone screen for a one-tap setup. Now, third-party earbuds could support the same experience too. The catch? These features are currently exclusive to users in the European Union. Apple's already pushed back against these regulations and warned they could create security risks. So, if you live outside Europe, don't expect Apple to expand these features globally anytime soon. Still, for EU users, this is a huge win for consumer choice and competition. Subscribe to Gad Insider for more fast tech news, Apple updates, and AI stories every day.